What is up, guys? My name's Carson. That's my beautiful wife, Sammy. We are the complete couple, and today we are on Utopia of the Seas, and we are checking out a beautiful balcony stateroom, but it's the interior balcony that overlooks not Central Park. What is this?
Yeah, Central Park.
Central Park interior balcony. Check it out. Here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Deck 11, room 635. It says stateroom attendants will start delivering luggage beginning at 3 p.m. I'm not sure about that. It is 10 till then. There is one set of luggage out, so maybe the next will be coming. As we walk in, you got a beautiful woman sitting on the lounger. That may or may not be happening for you. On the left-hand side, you have got a beautiful floor-to-ceiling mirror for your wife's needs. As we walk in on the right-hand side, you will see where you've got, wow, that's an odd way to put your room key in there. So you got to put your room key in there for the electricity. Off, on. And then as we continue to the right, there will be the bathroom. Here we go. Now, granted, this ship has only been sailing for roughly 3 months, so this is a brand new bathroom. You've got your general toilet right there. You've got your shower, walk-in shower. Nice roomy shower. I mean, nicely roomy. Place to put your shampoos if you brought them, soaps, razors. Got your standard double duty hair and a shampoo, and actually that's a hair and body wash. It's kind of an odd duo. That one right there. Got a place to maybe hang your bathing suit. And a full-size shower. That one right there. The glass is crystal clear. Place to put your butt right there if you gotta go to the bathroom. A trash can right there. Full-size sink. Couple shelves right there. I will tell you, they do a nice job here. If you've been on Virgin, there's no shelf or anywhere to put any of your essentials. Here they do a nice shelf so you can put your essentials right there. Couple towels. And that is the extent of the bathroom. As you come back out, on the right-hand side is going to be what looks like kind of a nice hanging closet. I could see you could put your suitcases down there, hang some clothes up top. Really nice right there. Way to put your luggage away. Full-size couch. Look how beautiful she looks. You
definitely could sleep 3 people in this room.
Yes, you definitely could.
It's really big.
Full-size sleeper. As we turn
Not a sleeper, a couch.
No, couch, sorry, full-size couch. As we turn the corner here, you got your desk station, you've got a mirror, tons of outlets here. We've got 2 regular outlets, you got the foreign outlet, you got USBs, which is great. That's just, that's a light, wow, turns out on, that's nice. Another outlet and another foreign outlet. So really nice charging station there for you to do all your work if you got there. Now we got kind of a full-size chest here, a chest of drawers. That's kind of nice. So if you open up here, they got your breakfast menus ready to go. There is your breakfast menu. You got the Utopia of the Seas entertainment program, so you can open that up, see everything about Utopia of the Seas. I'm guessing maybe a fridge. Let's see if this is stocked. No, an empty fridge. That's really nice. Empty fridge to put water bottles, everything else you need to put in there. And then we've got hair dryer, Kleenex, and that drawer, and empty drawer. So nice chest of drawers right there. As we round the corner on this side, another full-size cabinet. You got your safe. Thank God it's not a wall safe. If you guys have watched my other videos, I hate wall safes. Kind of a thin, look at that. I can put my whole hand across that. I mean, I don't think you're gonna get much in there, but but a safe nonetheless. It's not a wall safe. It's not very deep either. That's as far as it goes. A little shame on the safe right there. They could have done a much bigger safe in my opinion. You got some shelving. Another place to put maybe some jackets. No hangers. You'd have to take the hangers from the other side. Let's see here. Drawer. Nightstand with a lamp. See if there is anywhere to plug in your phone. That's nice. You got the USB-C right there. That's weird. It's not turning on, so not sure about that. Place to plug your phone in or a regular charger right there. 2 small shelves. Place to hang some maybe lanyards or towels or bathing suits right there. Nice flat screen television. What is this, a king-size bed? King-size bed. Another small nightstand on this side. Let's see if this one works. This one works. Either that light is out or it's not plugged in. I'm not sure. But that side works. Another place to plug in. Another USB-C right there. Your telephone. And then as we walk out here, here's our balcony. So we overlook, Sammy is right. Wow, it's loud. We overlook Central Park here. Overlooking Central Park. Beautiful room. Here's your balcony. Nice spacious balcony. 2 seats, nice table. Honestly, a huge balcony. Really nice. Really nice balcony. There's the pool deck up there. People are partying, having some fun. So that's your balcony. Here's your room. Here's a full-size look at your room. There you go. Here's a full-size look at your room. Really a nice, spacious room, in my opinion. Really nice and spacious. Big couch, big bed, big desk. Nice, really nice bathroom. And that right there is a balcony that overlooks Central Park. So a Central Park balcony room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around. We'll see you guys for more Utopia content.